Hello, this is Mitch King with the Sunday evening, September 13th, 2009 Daily Stock Report with Trade Stocks America. So far, the market's still in the Goldilocks condition where everything is just right. We're on a steady uptrend, made higher highs recently, and that's very bullish for stocks. All the indexes finally has reached to these higher highs. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ Composite. This is clearly a stronger uptrend considering it has exceeded that recent high made on the last week of August. So it's very conceivable to see this continue to move up in some upward fashion like it has for quite a few months. We're looking back here on March 10th, and this steady uptrend has been the buy on the dips has definitely worked, as you can see on most every substantial dip, including the one last week. Every little dip along the way has been purchased. This pattern is the easiest one for most people to make money. Doesn't require a lot of analysis, but just a conditioned response like a Pavlovian dog who salivates on a dip. Just buy on the dip. So this pattern could continue, and it will continue until it changes. This is Apple Computer, clearly one of the stocks that continues to work on the buy on the dip strategy. It has been for all year this year. Here's Baidu, also working well in the buy on the dip strategy. Again, the last one that we purchased here, but we made an early exit there. Here's some of the financial stocks: AXP, American Express, JP Morgan's a lot slower of a moving stock. Life insurance companies have also come alive with their stock price, even though we think last fall they were close to going under, as we thought, with their liquidity and reserve ratio so low. Now let's show you a pattern that's been working really well in this last month or so. We haven't seen this much activity on the speculative side for well over a year. This is the bull shorts that's described in the Wizard training course, a clear parabolic curve, and these exhaust themselves after the buying power is used up of people, and then they start breaking down in this process you see right there. Comes up, then down. And what our job is to do is to try to find the top in these stocks and make profits on a short sale as they go down. Let's take a look at a few of these. Here's ATPG from Friday, an excellent bull short that has worked really well. And what you're going to look here is you'll see $18.88 was the high on Friday, and then a low is 16.12. I've got it covered up there. Let's take that away so you can see 16.12 was the low, and we're looking for this to come down here somewhere around that 14, maybe under $14 to cover a short position. That would be excellent money. So that's like buying a stock at 14 and selling at 18.88, which was the opening high on Friday. So these things are really working. We don't see this type of activity in a real negative market. We all last fall hardly saw anything like this. So people really happy, and they're usually retail investors, not usually too many hedge funds involved with it, maybe a small one or a large and personal trader, retail traders, and just your mom and pop people who are uneducated by this, close to the top, and they really get hurt because, especially the last couple of days, this thing really heads down. Here's another one, VVUS, a biotech company that got some good results on a diet drug. Stock headed down 7% on Friday, so this is likely to have a little bit of a bounce on Monday, and that could give us a good chance to open a short position on this one. Here's one from a couple weeks ago from you people who are new to the Daily Stock Report. This was an excellent one, well over $22, just about $23 here, and we're here about $19. So that was a nice one we got on the first time, and we're now short again. We're expecting this stock to head back down to a lower low on this, and it usually takes longer for that second helping is what we call it. So these bull shorts are working really well. My suggestion is to build a balance of long and short positions. Don't get too leveraged in any one direction or one sector. Put the odds in your favor. You guys take care. We'll talk to you Monday night.